Hello everyone, it is Walt here once again bringing you another one of the 100 ways to motivate yourself. Here we are with part 35. The principle is talk to yourself. Now this one's a little bit interesting because he starts off by saying a lot of us seem like culturally off about the idea of talking to ourselves because we don't want to be thought of as crazy, insane, schizophrenic, all that kind of stuff. And then he goes into this quote of Plato saying that, and basically thought is, our soul talking to ourselves. Okay, I completely forgot the Plato quote, but regardless, Plato has some great material. The Republic, fantastic material there. He also later gets into this idea of asking ourselves every day of what is good in my life and what is there still that we need to improve upon. And this one is extremely good. Okay, a lot of people think talking to themselves is off, or that, it's not okay, you can't do it in public, all that kind of stuff. And one thing I find is it's good to actually talk out loud. You can do like a think method to yourself, you can write it down, it's almost as good as talking to yourself. But when you actually just go out and you just speak out loud, talking to yourself, this method can be extremely effective. This is also something that you can get away with culturally in this day because of things like being able to talk on your phone while you're walking. So you can hold up your phone, hold up your Bluetooth, your mic, whatever, and be able to talk. And people are thinking you're like talking to somebody, but actually you can just talk to yourself if you want to do this in public. If not, you can just do it, whenever you want to. And the important part is really this is how you discuss with your subconscious mind how you're doing, because like this idea you might have heard of multi-personality disorder, which was later renamed properly, but the idea of part of it, people thought originally that it might be a fake disorder because therapists could induce this kind of, dissociative identity disorder. It's the new name for it, but induce this kind of effect where people could role play different parts of their personality. But that alone, being able to role play parts of your personality is super effective. So if you want to get to where's the fear part of me, put on your fear self. If you want to get to where's the love part, put on the love self. If you want to figure out what the problem is, try to role play that. Try to put it into your character and kind of play the role. People are really good at acting in general. You don't have to be great at acting. You don't ever have to have been in a play or anything in order to put on a little bit of a role and talk to yourself about it. Because the more you talk to yourself, the more you can figure out your own problems. That's about it for part 35. I'll see you guys next time with part 36. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.